morning, you pathetic piss ants. As always, I am Craven Morehead. Listen up while I chug this vodka-laced rainwater and explain why the sky is seemingly crying like a newbie porn actress after getting unexpected painal. Those cunts in Westminster think if they spray enough barium out of Boeing, we'll all forget they're balls deep in treason. But guess what? They're wrong. The whole West's getting hosed like my ex-husband's tiny willy. Loads of rain, sideways wind, and chemtrails so thick you could skate on them. I tasted them. They taste like lies and regret. East? Might get a crack of sun if the harp techs take a piss break. Maybe you'll see daylight before they blanket it in aluminium confetti. Me? I'm Craven Morehead. Yeah, that's right. The Craven bloody Morehead. And I've been huffing these lines since 1997. My ex says I'm mentally unstable. He can suck my cumulonimbus. He still owes me half the house and every goddamn drop of gin I hid in the ice maker. Tonight, the rain turns biblical. Visibility? You'll be jerking off in the fog, praying to whatever god isn't busy getting throat fucked by Big Pharma. Tomorrow, same shit. Thunder, floods, and Starmer pretending he didn't know Paul Ovenden wanted to shove Diane Abbott up a smokestack. Mandelson's laughing, Trump's coming to tweet us into oblivion, and yeah, I'm live tweeting the apocalypse while I shotgun another warm Stella. Weather ain't weather, folks. Picture this. I once woke up in a skip behind Parliament with a traffic cone up my arse and a dead pigeon in my pocket. Didn't even remember how I got there. Just knew the cone said Labour on the side and the pigeon was wearing a tiny kamikaze vest. True story. Point is, when the wind howls like a nun getting fisted by Satan, that's not climate change. That's Operation Fuck Your Lungs trademark. And I've got the lung x-ray to prove it. Looks like a goddamn barcode. The weather's gone full apocalypse, and it's not just Mother Nature having a tantrum, it's those Westminster wankers spraying their chemical bullshit all over us. The West's getting drowned in rain so heavy it feels like God's taking a piss on us after a bender, and the wind's screaming like my ex-fellow when he found out I pawned his nan's jewellery for a crate of lager. This ain't no natural storm, it's a government-sponsored shit show, and I'm here to call it out while I'm 3 sheets to the wind. Those showers slamming Scotland and Northern Ireland, that's no coincidence. It's cloud seeding fuckery, courtesy of the same pricks who yeeted Paul Ovenden for his 2017 Diane Abbott texts. They're scrubbing their tracks while the sky scrubs us. Mandelson's probably in a bunker jerking off to satellite maps, and Starmer's dodging questions like I dodge curry and laxatives. The east might catch a pathetic glimmer of sun, but don't be fooled. That's just their sunlight deflection bollocks, turning the sky into a mirror for their reptilian bosses. Last night, I saw it glinting while I was pissing in the garden, arguing with my ex about who gets the dog. Spoiler, I'm keeping the mutt and the booze. Tonight, it's going to get nastier than my hangover breath. Rain's coming down like a biblical plague, and the fog's so thick you'll need a chainsaw to cut through it. I tried driving through it last night, ended up in a ditch shouting at a lamppost. Tomorrow, more of the same. Torrential showers, winds that'll blow your knickers off, and political horse shit piling up faster than my bar tab. Trump's state visits looming like a turd in a punch bowl, and the weathermen are just puppets for the HARP brigade, denying they're turning the sky into a chemical soup. Listen up, this weather's a middle finger from the elite, and I'm too pissed to care. I'm Craven Morehead, and I'm off to nick Alex Deakin's flat screen and maybe set fire to his car. Keep your eyes on the sky, you muppets, and don't drink the rainwater. Please remember, if you watched it and you liked it, share it for others to enjoy it as well. You can now show your support for Liam Stoneley's content by chucking him a few stars and following him over on his Facebook. It's barely a quid, you minge, and could prevent a granny being mugged. Bye for now.